Hello from Slovenia again. Today I work on 8 by 8 inch canvas and I will do a reverse flower dip with some puddles. It's a lot of ways to do a reverse flower dip. You can do a flower shaped cup, bottom pour. You can do it in circles, you can do it in spiral, you can just drizzle some paint, but today I will do a puddles and I will just add my Amsterdam oxide black mixed with my pouring medium for my background. I will spread it around. I don't care about the sides because I can do them later. It's not so important for this technique to cover it right now. And you have to have quite an amount of paint, not just like a flow extender, a little more because your napkin will pull some paint off. I'm using paper napkins. You can use paper towels, you can use plastic sheet, plastic wrap, saran wrap, but I prefer napkin. I will just spin a little bit just to spread this base around to even it up a little bit. I prefer paper napkins. Just a second. Okay. I prefer paper napkins because you don't get as much air pockets, or it's easier to take them out. How can I say so? Okay, and for my colors I will of course use my pearl white mixture, that it's Vallejo pearl medium mixed with titanium white and pouring medium. This is the consistency, leaves a mound and sinks quite fast. Let's start. I will, doesn't matter. I will do just 4 puddles like that, and then 4 little ones here. Hopefully they will be little ones. And I'm using this FionaArt CO stir sticks. I love them. And the next color is Amsterdam Naphtha Red Light. I love this color. It's kind of orangey red, but dries really beautiful. So, love it. Small ones, hopefully. And this one is Artist Colors Cadmium Red Deep. And while I'm doing my puddles, I try to go towards the middle. If you can see that, I hope that you can. Not in the middle of the puddle, on this side, towards the middle. And I will do my pearl white again. I believe that I did a little too much on the first puddle, but it should be okay. Of course, it's easier if I would have those in my squeeze bottles, but I don't. And it doesn't even matter as much, you know, because you will use a napkin, but still I want to do them as nice as I can, or how can I say. And I will add a little black too into the flower. Not a lot, but a little bit. Okay, and this one is Rush Posse Muscadine Wine. You can check Christina Welsh on YouTube or Etsy for those paints if you want to grab some. Okay. More, I think. Repeat the colors, but not as much paint as the first row, how can I say? Oh, see, something that I didn't want to do like this. And this like this. So white again. And some black again. Muscadine wine. My hands are shaking. This comes with age, you know. Okay, and I will add a little bit of green around. I have Amsterdam yellowish green. Oop. Just around here. Maybe a little between those kind of petals. And let's add some pearl white too. Just for some effects, maybe. No. Because with pearl white, this pearl white mixture, I get some lacing effect. Definitely have a lot of green here. And I have some green gold too. Whoop. Maybe this will be too much green. We will see. And since I did that, I have to probably do it a little more here too. I will just do that, and I will grab a skewer and do some lines, maybe. Like that. Just to maybe give it a little more interest, I don't know. And I don't mind that I don't have paint here in the middle, because I will push the paint, you know, towards the middle, so doesn't matter. Let me spray my paper napkin with water to soften it up. I like it that way. You don't need to. You can use dry paper napkins if you prefer. I just prefer wet ones. Okay. Let's put this on. Okay, and I will tap a little bit. My electricity went on off. And I will not, I will put my gloves off for this part, and because it's easier for me. Okay. Let's grab another 4 sides. Try to keep the middle in the middle of your flower. Yeah. Now I will just lift it straight up, hopefully. As I said, I maybe added a little too much green. Okay, let's torch it. I will give it a little spin. My inner petals almost disappeared, so maybe I should have done them a little more to this side, but now it is what it is. Not completely what I was envisioned. But it's kind of cool anyway. I was really hoping for a little more red here too, so Definitely next time I would do it a little not so close to the middle, a little more, you know, to those sides. Here it is. See, I wish that I would have, oh, electricity is back, that I would have a little more red tones here too, where the greens are. But anyway, kind of like it anyway. It's a simple way to do your flowers with acrylic pouring fluid art techniques. So this was it for today. From puddles to flower. And see you on the next one. Bye.